Hello from the other side. I'm sorry for it. Well, Souflotv. Welcome to Souflotv, people. For those of you who have never been here before, and for those of you returning once again, it is your host with the most. You don't know what time it is already. Watch this real quick. I'm give them about 60 seconds. This is for the haters, as we know them to be. Watch out. Jamaican men or woman, whichever one on keep coming on here, especially the man them, and I talk about go suck out under my mother. What's it not? First of all, when you tell someone to go suck out under their mother as a grown man, it says more about you in a negative light than it says about the person that you're trying to disrespect. So, with that said, please remember this. Them have something on YouTube called delete. Them have something called block. Them have something called hide this person's comments from this channel. That means once you set a one comment there and you get delete, block, reported as spam or anything else, you don't matter no more because I'll never see you on the channel again. So people, this channel is set up for people. Listen, if your opinion don't match mine, it's fine. I understand that there are people who life so miserable that they go around on the computer looking for people to argue with. I'm not one of those kinds of people. And I've never been the type to go and search somebody's channel, watch all the things that I don't like and disagree with and leave comments about them. You understand what I'm saying? So, if you end up here and you don't like my comments and you don't like my choices and my view on things, leave something and we can go back and forth about it. But when you start disrespect man about them mother, come on dog. As a Jamaican, you know that the last thing you want to tell a man about time, mother. Because you see when the whole world crumble down, a mummy won. You see what I say? So I know what the mother has. But with that said, welcome to Souflotv, everybody. Let's keep it up, live and positive, yes? Alright. What we come to talk about today now is the man what I'm called Movado. Dancehall's richest artist. Financially wealthiest artist. Who do you think it is? Do you think it is Bounty Killer? Because I'm there in the business for years and I run things for years. Do you think it is Beenie Man? Because Beenie Man there in the business for years and I run things for years. Who do you think it is? Do you think it is kARTEL? Because even though he hasn't traveled as much as Beenie Man has, he is, he's selling music all around the world. Here's a little surprise. At this point in the game, and they said for the last 3 years, 2 to 3 years, the wealthiest person in dancehall music is financially Movado. Yes, the Gully Gaza. The wealthiest person financially in the music, dancehall music, is Movado. That may I tell you? I don't say reggae music, you know, I say dancehall music is Movado. The Gully Gaza. Now, in this video here, if you continue to watch, you're going to see, I put up a series of pictures because Movado just showcased a mansion. Him just showcased a couple of cars and, you know, the mansion did under construction and them had pictures up about that coming and so on. So when the mansion done, moving, furnish out, couple car shipping in our country and them thing there. So the man will show you, on top of that, he must show you the house that he used to share with him and his whole family. One little board house will look like one toilet down the country. So, and on top of that, with the whole hype between, or the whole hype concerning him and Beenie Man, and you have Beenie Man fans that say, hey, Movado, don't eat that boy, can't this Beenie Man, not there. And then you have Beenie Man, fans that say that, and then you have Movado fans that say, Beenie Man wash up him old, him old fashioned, re, and him nothing, him done with the thing. To make young youth and young blood come run the place now. plus Movado outdo him in this and that or whatever. Alright. Put up a video on the channel the other day. Y'all, thank you for commenting the video. The video shot in our views and comments. Every day I come home, I get at least 20 comments on it. And I sit down and I answer every last one of them. If I like the comment, I give it a thumbs up. And when I don't agree with the comment, I give it a thumbs up just because you'll take the time for comment. You disrespect upon my channel, I take the time to report you if you're derogatory, delete your comment, and block you from the channel. So, you can't comment again. Now, I know say, enough people, as I said, well, being a man have more money, or being a man have more money but he not show it off. And Movado have little bit of money but he might go on like saying have enough. No, Movado really has a lot of bread. Right now, Movado money, a shot past Beenie Man money. Let me say Movado is about 2 to 3 times richer than Beenie Man is, and has been so for the past 2 to 3 years. Peak in financial income for the past 2 to 3 years. Maybe that has something to do with him touring extensively. Maybe it has something to do with him doing collaborations with American artists extensively. Maybe it has something to do with him signing to DJ Khaled and the We The Best, the whole campaign for the We The Best thing. Yes. So, people, here what I want to do. Mr. Big Up Movado. Let me say this first. Respect to me does not come because you have attained financial riches. So in my world, there are people that are wealthy financially that couldn't get one little toops of respect from me. And then there are people that are broke and poor. Well, not really poor still, because in them time now, to be poor is a crime. And you have to get up and go hustle for something. But there are people that are not that financially secured or financially well off that have my utmost respect. You know what I say? So when I say big up to Movado, I say big up to Movado because he earn money and he's rich now. I say big up to Movado because Movado is a ghetto youth from Jamaica where make it in a life, and he make it through him hard work and him dedication. You know what I say? And he make it through him God-given talents and skills. Alright? So with that said, big up to Movado for that. And people, see ya. We'll check out the picture of them and enjoy the pictures. And each one should be labeled which part of what that is and ray. But let me know what you think about the thing still. Now, before we close this off, I'm gonna say this. Do you really honestly think that Beenie Man is jealous of Movado? Because people get jealous enough. If I was in Movado, true a word took on Movado said, someone waste out them time in the business, and now them a look for pretty much scrape up a little thing at the last part of them career, them a bad mind and jealous, who in here make more than, you know what I say, not those exact words, but basically I say, a bad mind those who just come in our business not too long ago and I make triple what them did I make. You know what I say, and I do way better with it, investing and financially and so on and so forth. So, him dash some word after about Beenie, and Beenie feel a way about it and say something back. But Movado come back and said, him give thanks and praises to the Most High God for everything that he has achieved, because, and I can't take that from the man, because I remember times when him did dunk on him knees, you know what I said, dunk on him face really, and nothing on going in the life for him and him little family catch up in a little boardhouse and them thing there. And him come a long way. So who is me to go hype on anybody? I can't hype on nobody, dog. Alright. With that said, I give him respect again for saying that. But let's put it out there. People do get jealous, and if someone coming at the same field that you have been in for 20 plus years and made more than you made in 20 years, then make it in I say 5. You think say I feel that way about it. Especially if them are brandish everything when them are making in front of your face. You feel that way about it. Talk about things about my mirror and upset people. It's Souflotv. I'm out of here, man. 3, 2, 1. Bang, I'm out. Peace.
We back, baby. New millennium thugs, you trying to get it. You know what I'm saying? You talk too much. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to show you love, baby. Show you how I do it in these sheets. You know what I'm saying? You want to talk to your homegirls, tell your homegirl this, tell your homegirl that. But my only question is, it's like this here. You heard me? What you tell your friends for? Why you tell your friends for? What you tell your friends for? Why you tell your friends for? What you tell your friends for? Why you tell your friends for? You ain't gotta tell your girlfriend them everything. What you tell your friends for? Why you tell your friends for? What you tell your friends for? Why you tell your friends for? What you tell your friends for? Why you tell your friends for? You ain't gotta tell your girlfriend them everything. I thought what happened in the bedroom supposed to be a secret, but you can't keep it. You tell your friends about the dick, now they won't experience it, and now you want some tripping shit. Think about it, baby girl, tell me really who fault is it? You the one that read your mouth and told them how I